Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, October 11th. I want to go through a few stocks this afternoon for some trade setups. This first one, we actually took a small position in this today, and this is Chesapeake Energy, CHK. And most of these trades we're going to go through are based on the pullback trade, a Fibonacci retracement. And basically what we're looking to do is, we find the last sort of swing. This one's a swing down, swing low. And we got back up to the 618. We're looking to sell, in this case, sell the 618, and we're looking for a continuation of the trend here. And it's not just, you can't just sell the 618 of every swing. Otherwise, it's low probability. But in this particular case, and some of the other ones I'm going to show you, you see we have this previous support here. And so this kind of lines up with the 618. So this makes it, previous support, future resistance. So this may act as resistance, gives us a little more probability of the trade. Another thing we kind of look for is a downtrend, which in this case the downtrend, depending on how you draw it, it's not quite there. So, but this support resistance level is kind of there. So we took a small position. I think we bought the November 25 puts, and we have a stop above the 786 here, a close above there. Next one I want to look at is Fifth Third Bank. This is a similar situation where we're getting close to the 618, and there's previous structure. This is kind of sloppy, so this would definitely be a half position if we do get up to the 618. Next one is Gilead Sciences, GILD. Again, a little bit sloppy. However, you can see the 618's been acting as resistance. What I'm looking for here, I didn't actually take this trade yet because it's not as clean as I'd like it to be. But if we start to kind of come down, we may, put in a small short here. Next one, Hecla Mining, HL. You can see previous support actually was support twice, nice and clean to the 618. This may take another week or so to get up here, but if it does get up here, we were looking to short around 684 there. Next one is Intel, and you can see this one already kind of pulled back. This is a bullish trade, and we actually got a slight close above the high, which was 22.98. Now it's 22.99. Tomorrow, if we close above here, I would actually look to get long with a good chance of getting to the 27. You can see if earnings coming out. I don't like to get too big of a position before earnings, but this momentum may carry us through. We might get a nice pop out of here. China, FXI, similar. We're approaching the 618 previous support. I'd be looking to get short around 94 and change, or close to 95. I'm sorry, 35. Emerging markets, EEM, a similar trade. We hit the 618. We didn't take this trade yet, and we're kind of waiting to see what this does. It's still kind of flat. Kind of looking for more of a reversal candle here. And again, we're looking at FXI, which is sort of part of the EEM, I think. So we're not going to double up on the same trade, but I just wanted to point this out. Last one, Valero Energy. This is not as clean. We do not have a support resistance level per se, but we do have a trend line. So this one we would wait for confirmation. This actually went above the 618, but we're coming into the trend line here, possibly looking for a reversal here and maybe get in short. We did make a lower low, so you see high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high if this holds, and then we'd be looking for a lower low, or at least back down to this 16.5 level. And the last one is we're going to go through today is WFT. And again, this is another pullback trade where we had this downtrend. We're getting up to the 618, which coincides with a previous support around 1464. 1448 is where the 618 is. And that's pretty much it for what we're covering today. If you have any questions, be sure to send us a message. See you.